I couldn't speak English, not because I didn't know words, but because I didn't know how to use them. If you also feel the same, this video will change the way you learn English.
3, 2, 1!
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a beginner and are struggling to speak English fluently, don't worry because I am also on the same journey. In this video, I am going to share simple and practical ways that are actually helping me to speak English better every day. No complicated rules, no pressure, just real methods. The first thing I realized is I was waiting to speak perfect English. I used to think I will start speaking when my grammar becomes perfect. But that day never came. Then I understood fluency doesn't come from perfection, it comes from practice. Now I speak even my sentences are simple or imperfect because speaking improves speaking. Second thing that helped me a lot is speaking with myself. Yes, it may sound strange, but it works. I started talking to myself, like what I am doing, what I am thinking, what I did today. This small habit builds confidence. The biggest problem I had was I was translating everything in my mind, Hindi, English, then speak. This takes time and creates hesitation. So I started training my mind to think in English. Start small. Think simple sentences. Use easy word. Slowly your brain will adapt it. Consistency is more important than time. Earlier, I used to practice randomly. Now, I follow a simple rule. Practice every day, even for 10 to 15 minutes. You can speak in front of mirror, record your voice, read aloud. A small daily effort equal to big improvement. This is the most important. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. I used to feel embarrassed, but now I believe mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake is a step forward. So speak freely, don't stop yourself. Let me be honest with you. Even today, I am not perfect. Sometimes I still make mistakes. Sometimes I still hesitate. But one thing has changed. I don't stop anymore, and this is the biggest progress. So if you want to speak English fluently, remember, don't wait for perfection. Start speaking today. Practice daily. Think in mind. Don't fear about mistakes. Fluency is not a destination, it's a journey, and we are all in this together. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. And comment below, I will start speaking today. Let's grow together. And don't forget to subscribe for more real English learning videos. See you in the next one. Thank you.